Hi, my name is Stuart Batchelder. I'm here to talk about my experience with Paladina Health. I decided to use Paladina Health starting in the summer of 2012 and have been very pleased that I tried them. The differences from day one were pretty stark relative to the experiences that I'd had with other primary care physicians over the years. The difference from the beginning was, gosh, I sat down for 45 minutes in that first meeting without even talking about my weight, my blood pressure. It was literally just talking about the day-to-day decisions that I make from a dietary perspective, from an exercise perspective, and really the doctor getting a sense for me and who I was and the types of health decisions that I was making. The differences continued when, after taking blood work that day, we realized that my cholesterol levels were escalated. This wasn't really new news to me. I'd heard this a number of times before, but the difference was, instead of a medical assistant giving me a call with those actual numbers and saying, don't worry about it, cholesterol runs in your family, you're young, you have protective cholesterol, we'll see you again in a year and a half. Instead it was, come back in, talk to the doctor, we'll sit down for 30 minutes and talk about the things that you can do about it, which was refreshingly different, again, from the experiences that I'd had in the past. By virtue of setting up then a time 3 months down the road to come back and talk about how things were going, and by the doctor kind of putting me on a path of things that I could do with my diet, simple things really, I managed to cut my cholesterol 30% in a matter of 3 months, which I didn't even know was possible, quite frankly. Again, thinking that, gosh, it's part of my hereditary genes and there's not so much I can do about it. But to cut my cholesterol 30% in that short amount of time was really a testament to a partnership that I'm building with the doctor at Paladina Health.